Go, Kim.
Come on.
Why is she walking?
Shoulders. So just like staring her down. I think you need to get the
That's
rest of the
Flavia.
competition. I'm serious, because then you never know
Kim.
what. Not Flavia.
Not Flavia or Kim. Not Flavia or Kim.
Who's back there?
7:40.
Okay. Kim is right there.
And Kim. Breathe, Kim.
Come on. Come on.
Oh my god, I thought she got the wrong lead for a second.
She needs to stretch her shoulders up. She didn't have it. No, she had the right leg. She was looking at the
How's the rest of the competition?
I can't really describe what I'm seeing.
I knew it. Sit up.
Shoulder. Boobs.
Hell yeah. Oh, I thought they're gonna ask the mechanic from the hall.
Flavia just backed up a little. Guarantee they ask you to change direction.
Forward.
Switch.
Go forward.
Probably. Drop your stirrups, please.
Yeah. Drop your reins, please.
Jump off.
Hold it. They can ask you to do that.
Jump off
They can ask you to dismount.
at the trot.
Not at the top.
That's what I was going for. Look, she's perfect. She's golden. Golden. Hell yeah, Kim. What if Kim got high point? Oh my god. I might pee.
You realize you're holding the camera, right?
It's fine.
No quieter. No quieter.
Come on. Go, go, go. What does it say? Lengthen the stride?
Lengthen his step.
Lengthening of strides. Lengthen your step.
No, Kim go. Kim go.
We're going.
No one's lengthening very much.
No, she's going. Yeah, slow down so it looks like you were going fast. No, yes, I did.
No, yeah, I saw a change too.
Actually, yes. There we go.
Boobs.
Sit.
Sit up, sit up.
Sit.
Shut up. She is.
Oh my god. Sorry, Kim.
Yeah, but I don't think that.
Did you see her, no, the lengthen trot, whatever, the lengthen the strides? It was mad good.
Oh, I thought.
Yes.
I thought you were gonna say that it was good.
It was.
Oh, she was.
Flavia's was good.
Oh, well, I was just looking at the like. Yeah.
Okay, bye, Kim.
Or maybe